Did you know that account-based marketing strategies generate 208% more revenue for technology companies compared to traditional marketing? Yet most technology startups waste time chasing the wrong leads, struggling with long sales cycles and seeing low conversion rates. So how can account-based marketing help you cut through the noise and land high-value customers? That's what this video is about. Let's break it down. In the technology world, growth is everything, but trying to market to everyone leads to wasted time, low ROI, and frustration. That's where account-based marketing changes the game. Instead of spraying and praying, account-based marketing focuses on high-value accounts using personalized, data-driven strategies to convert the right customers faster. In this video, we'll cover why account-based marketing is the ultimate growth strategy for technology startups, how to build a high-impact account-based marketing playbook, and a real-world example of a startup that scaled using ABM. So let's get straight into it. Most technology startups struggle with three fundamental marketing challenges. Number one, targeting the wrong audience. Many companies waste time chasing low-value leads that will never convert. Secondly, low engagement and conversions. Generic outreach gets ignored and prospects aren't really excited about your solution. And then thirdly, long, complex sales cycles. Without personalized engagement, deals take months to close or never close at all. And if you're experiencing these problems, traditional lead generation isn't working for you. So how does account-based marketing fix all of this? Well, here's how to build an ABM strategy that drives real growth. Number one, identify and prioritize high-value accounts. Instead of marketing to everyone, focus on a select group of accounts with the highest revenue potential. A good example of this is Snowflake's ABM strategy, which targeted enterprise accounts with a clear need for data solutions leading to massive deal sizes. How you can do this is to use firmographics and intent data to find companies actively looking for your solution. Align sales and marketing to agree on target accounts. Start with a tiered approach. Focus on the highest value accounts first. Secondly, personalize every interaction. ABM works because it tailors messaging, content, and outreach to each account. A good example of this is Drift, which used custom landing pages for each target company, increasing engagement and conversion rates. How you can do this is to create account-specific content, personalized case studies, reports and solutions. Use personalized LinkedIn and email outreach. Leverage AI-powered tools to automate personalization at scale. Thirdly, multi-channel engagement. ABM isn't just about emails, it's a multi-touch strategy across multiple channels. A good example is HubSpot, which combined LinkedIn ads, personalized email, and direct sales outreach to engage decision makers at key accounts. How you can do this is to run LinkedIn and retargeting ads directly at key accounts, use warm introductions and executive outreach for high value deals, track engagement and adjust strategies based on account activity. A good case study of this is Gong. They used ABM to dominate their market segment. Gong focused on enterprise sales teams using ABM to target decision makers at key accounts. They created industry-specific content and custom demos, making their solution irresistible. The result was a 100% increase in pipeline velocity and massive enterprise adoption. And the lesson here is ABM isn't just about targeting, it's about creating a frictionless buying experience for high value customers. So let's recap. ABM helps you target the right high value accounts. Personalization increases engagement and conversions, and multi-channel strategies accelerate sales cycles, and the best technology startups use ABM to scale revenue fast. And if you're a technology startup looking to close bigger deals faster, account-based marketing is your secret weapon. What's been your biggest challenge in acquiring high-value customers? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this valuable, please like, share and subscribe for more insights on B2B SaaS growth. And if you're a technology executive or founder looking to scale, see if you qualify to join techgrowthleaders.com, the exclusive network for high growth technology leaders. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for joining this one. Thank you. God bless.